Hi everyone, I'm back with another video. This is in continuation of our creams 101. We have seen the ingredients required to make a cream before. Let's see the ingredients required to make this cream. Olivem 1000, cetyl alcohol, Emogreen L99 and Ricebran oil. This contains sodium gluconate and MAP, Xanthan Gum and Glycerin to hydrate. This contains Betaine, which is a hygroscopic humectant, and Allantoin. Now the cool down phase, it contains Euxyl PE 9010 preservative, green tea extract, Calendula extract. Also vitamin E Tocopherol and moonlight fragrance oil. This beaker has the distilled water pre-measured. First we hydrate gum and glycerin so that it doesn't form lumps. We'll stir it. Do you see it is completely dissolved? Now we'll add the oil phase ingredients in another beaker, all the emulsifiers and the oils. Now we'll add all the water soluble ingredients, that is water phase ingredients, in the distilled water. We'll slowly stir it after adding. It may not be completely soluble because it requires some heat. Now let's add the water phase ingredients in the hydrated gum and slowly stir it to completely dissolve. I am putting it back into the beaker so that we can heat it on a double boiler. Now both the oil phase and water phase go on double boiler for 10 minutes until ingredients are dissolved. Once it is brought from heat, we'll pour the water phase into the oil phase due to the convenience. We need to blend it in intervals so that it forms good creamy consistency. Olivem 1000 needs blending in regular intervals so that it forms thick and creamy consistency. Once it is at room temperature, add the cool down phase ingredients and blend it again. Do you see this soft and smooth consistency? This is good for both night and day creams. Olivem 1000 has a greater feel. We need to adjust the pH to 6 before pouring it into a beaker because MAP needs a pH of 6 to be stable and be effective. We'll pour it into a jar. All the ingredients and information is posted in the description box and in the blog.